we're going to take a spin here in something a little bit different. A 1966 AMC American Rambler 440. I know that's a mouthful, but that's what it is. But anyway, really cool little car. I didn't really know much about these until this one showed up. Kind of reminds you like of a little Nova or a little Comet, you know? It's a lightweight car. I think the curb rate was like 2,500 pounds when it was original. It used to have a 6-cylinder in it. But now it's got a balance and bored out 304. It's fun. I mean, this thing gets up and goes, and it's got a nice dual exhaust, Edelbrock headers, Flowmasters. The motor's got an aluminum intake on it, Edelbrock aluminum intake with a Holley 4-barrel. It's got a 727 trans. It's got Posi-Traction differential, 354. I think it's out of an AMX. But really cool, man. That thing goes great. Got a competition shifter, but it's easy to use, not like a nightmare. Some of these competition shifters are like, you got to read the manual and mess with it. No, this is easy. It's got an updated Pioneer stereo system in there. They left the original AM in the dash. Doesn't work, but at least they didn't cut the dash up. Even the steering wheel's original. A little gauge under the dash for temperature, which is important. But this thing's fun, man. I'm gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, here's our little walk around on the 1966 Rambler American 440. Pretty neat car. Like I said, it's got a small block upgraded, small block in it, a 304 that's been bored and balanced. It sounds really healthy. Nice exhaust system going all the way out the back. It's a little sleeper, man, but you can hear it coming. That's the difference. Sounds great. This is a Nissan color called Flash Green Metallic. Nice color. Kind of looks like a charcoal gray color with a greenish tint to it. The wheels are custom made by Wheel Vintiques. They're 15-inch steel wheels that fit those factory hubcaps that have been restored. They just look really great. Really kind of completes the sleeper look. Love dog dish caps. But the paint is done a while ago and it's beautiful. Paint's very nice, shines well, there's no checking or bubbling or anything. It was a rust-free solid car to start with. Usually what happens when you find 6-cylinder cars, grandma's car, in the garage, you know, good bodies to start with, good chassis. But all the stainless steel, all the trim on this car, great shape. The door panels are original, headliner's original. The seats have been reupholstered, very comfortable, but all the stainless and all the chrome work in here, great. I even have some original documentation that comes with it, like the manuals and brochures from back then. Even that really cool original steering wheel. Updated stereo with Bluetooth. Custom shifter. Back seat's nice and comfortable too. And it's a hardtop. You put the windows down, no post. So it's really kind of a little sport coupe. Awesome ride, not a bunch of money, and you know, you probably get a trophy with this one, take it to a local show. Here's the power plant and the little AMC. Look at that thing, man, it's clean. Little small block, Edelbrock Aluminum Heads, Edelbrock headers, Edelbrock intake, electronic ignition, MSD, which is in the trunk. It's got the stock brakes with a dual master, they're drum. They actually stop pretty good because the car doesn't weigh that much, but you could add disc brakes if you wanted to. It's got a nice shroud there. Pretty cool, man. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, it's got a shift light, oil pressure light, just so you know what's going on. The rest of the gauges work, the factory gauges. Yeah, nice running little motor. Little rumpity rump, sounds good coming out the back too. Little thumper cam in there. It's got a 727 automatic transmission. That works really well too. With that Posi-Traction differential, 354 ratio. Cool car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you some more information if you need it, or if you need some help with financing or shipping, you name it, I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching.